What's up, y'all? JT here with a Super Speed Saturday. So of course we got the new Kronos 2022 version out here, XTR. I'm not gonna waste too much time because my GPS is fading away, but we're gonna test this on 4 and 6S. You guys see GPS is catching. I've been bashing this thing too. You could tell by the body. And I should have recorded it, but I was having some fun. Anyway, test this on 4S. Get a couple of runs in or a couple of passes down here. Some guys trying to learn how to back a truck up, so you guys know this truck is pretty much good on 4S. It really is. If you're gonna run and bash for these high speed runs, you're definitely gonna need to change out probably the tires and stuff, but we're gonna try to do it anyway. All right, let's see what we got real quick. Running on 4S LiPo. Look at that. I told y'all this thing was fast. Look at this. 50 miles per hour on 4S LiPo. I think it's a tad bit faster than my other. I think my other one went 48. That is impressive on 4S LiPo, y'all. And I'm running the Team Corrali electronics in it. Stock pinion gear. Probably won't beat that 50, but let's see what we got here real quick. Yep, still at 50 miles per hour. So let's go ahead and let's get 6S in here and let's get, as Darkwing Duck said, let's get dangerous. All right, y'all, we got our 6S in there. You guys see GPS is still at 50 miles per hour. I already know this is gonna be ridiculously crazy fast. Oh, he left. Oh, no, he didn't. He just moved away a little bit, so I couldn't see him. All right, I'm walk down here some too, because I'm gonna need plenty of stopping space once this gets to going. Where's that truck at? I should have enough right there. Oh, it's actually handled a little bit better. They probably put some thicker oil in these discs. Tires still balloon, but I gotta see where this truck is at. I think I'm good right here. All right, let's get this going. Woo. Told y'all, 6S is crazy. All right, we're gonna try to get one more pass down the side. I won't be able to get up to full speed, which isn't a bad thing. Almost full speed. Almost full speed. Let's see what we got there. Almost full speed. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. 62 miles per hour. So this is probably 65 to 68. I can't get up to full speed. I just try to go down here a little bit. Okay, they left. Okay, they did leave. Let's see if we can build this up a little bit. Do this last run. Let's see if we can do it, y'all. Woo, nope. These tires are not allowing me to. They are not allowing me to do it at all. Nope. So I'm almost up to full speed, but not completely there. Let's see what we got there. See if we beat that. Yeah, 63. So like I said, this is about 65 to about 60, I'd say 7 or 8. I'm not able to get up to complete full speed, but you guys know these cars are fast. Put the Team Corrales system in here is my recommendation. Use the stock pinion gear and you are good to go, really. I mean, if you're gonna build a speed truck, you can lower this down. And at some point in time, I'm gonna actually make this into a speed truck to see how fast we can get it, because I know that this is the potential of a 100-mile-per-hour truck. Plus, just kind of lower this truck down. But I'll go through that in another video. But I want to test this stock out the box. So 63 miles per hour, it's 65 to 67, of course, but I can't get up to full speed. But these tires are actually good. They never come off the wheel. I haven't had any issues with those in the past. So anyway, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. All right, y'all know I gotta try this one more time. Hopefully all goes well. I gotta see if we can get that 65. I'm pretty sure I might be able to, but we'll see. If I can get a little bit more squeeze out of it, we'll be good. Almost. Definitely need to put my wheelie bar on here. Ooh, we almost got it there. Let's see if we beat that 63. Look at that. I am happy. 65 miles per hour. I told you guys it had the ability to do it. This is probably, I'm gonna say, about 68, because I still had a little bit more in it, but I'm happy with that for 65 miles per hour. So you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos.